guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're here at the airport. We are leaving for our furnace tour, which is our school dance and improv team. It is currently 4:50 in the morning. We depart at 7:40 a.m. for Dallas, Texas. We did a little bit of shopping, got some snacks for the plane. We have to be at our gate by 7 o'clock for departure at 7:40. We just got off a flight. We arrived in Texas.
What?
Texas is bigger in Texas. All right, guys, we're on our party bus, and now we're heading off to lunch, and then we have our first performance.
Just finished some Chipotle, and now we have to be on the bus by 12.
That's really iconic.
Do show. I want a Starbucks.
So we had lunch at Chipotle, as you just saw, and now we're heading over to Starbucks to get a drink. Mia and I, and we love her because she's the most beautiful soul ever. So we had our first performance. Go play with kiddos. Yeah, this is at a church, and we're doing some workshops, and then we're performing and going to a church service. Okay, guys, we had performance too, and we worked in workshops with children. Now we're gonna eat dinner, and then we are performing one more time for the night. So we're just all chilling, hanging around, waiting for our dinner. Guys, we finished day one! But we're really thriving. We're ready. Guys, we just got to the hotel room. It is so nice. So nice. Hi guys, we're on day 2. So we're heading to our first performance, which is at a school. And then we're going to another place. And then we're going to Torchy's Tacos for dinner.
And we're getting Starbucks today.
Guys, are we having a good time? Okay guys, we finished our improv workshops. We're now on the bus, heading over to our Starbucks break. This is Drew Gymnasty. This is Tommy read a book.
Gang.
And then, what are we gonna do after that? We're gonna go to a retirement home, I believe.
Okay.
Guys, we have reached our second performance. We are in the school. We are going to perform 3 dances and then some improv. We just got some nice Starbucks. Yes. And this is our coach.
I'm not involved in this.
Miss Waffle. She does not approve of my YouTube professionalism.
Just put it down and be present. That's all you have to do.
Okay, we're gonna talk later. Hi guys, it's day 3. That's where we're going tonight. Wait for it, drum roll please. A rodeo!
Yeah.
Hey y'all, we're back. It's gonna be bad that we're gonna talk in southern accents for the rest of the night. So right now we're shopping. We're trying to get some boots for the rodeo tonight. Guys, we are here at Barbecue Central, Cooper's Old Time Barbecue Pit.
Get off your phone and be present. Those are my last words.
Guys, it's the last day. We are going to a place to do a service project, and then after that we're getting lunch at Chapato. And then we're going to the airport to go back to Chicago. We boarded the plane and we're going back to Chi-Town. Peace out, Dallas. We love you.